Hello and welcome. I'm at Stuttgart CMT Trade Fair. I'm going to show you this motorhome here, which is a Live Ti 650 MEG from Knaus. It costs 98,000 euros and its details are, there you go, 694 centimeters long, it's unusual length, but 7 meter class, let's say, 232 wide. Inner height is 2 meters. Let's come inside. Right, first impression is that it hasn't got a double floor. That says rather bad, in my opinion, at this price level. I mean, I wouldn't be complaining at the 75,000 van not having a double floor, but this I am. Yeah, 3 storage lockers at the back. You've got a light switch under it. Could do with something like a way of charging your mobile phones, particularly, it's got a ledge up there. It's got a window on this side but not on the other side. Here it's got this completely pointless decorative element where storage should be, in my opinion. And you can see this side, I mean, the other side, well, there's a window. This side, there isn't even a window, and they haven't even used the space properly. Here we have this board's here, and this is for to put this thing here in if you want. So this goes in there, and that gives you a big bed. You get into bed by, well, I think I would get into bed this side. I wouldn't use that. Put all my weight on that. In fact, my weight, about 75 kilos, is possibly a bit much. I don't know, but I'm not going to try. Up here, they got a nice big wardrobe, currently being used for boxes and things. And over this side as well, we've got another nice big wardrobe. You can't be bothered to lift everything up. You have, of course, got the doors on either side to do that. It comes with this carpet, which I think is a horrible looking colour. Of course, you don't have to put the carpet. You might prefer to see the colour of the wood instead, which I think, I don't know, that's my opinion, of course, but I think I'd rather look at the wood. It's also easier to clean. Then again, depends what you like. There you go, sink, carpet in the shower, which you possibly want to lift it up. Non-slip service, good. 2 plug holes, good. 2 plug holes are small, not good. Here there's also a little bit of depth to that, so you can, if you want to put a bit of water in, it shouldn't start coming out, flowing out when you're not parked on the flat. Here we've got a false wall, opens up like that, got all of, and there's your shower. Of course, you don't have to use it like that. You can also have a shower with it in this position, and you've got the shower thing there. That's a positive mark from me. Place for your cosmetics and mirror. And here there is a sensible sliding door. Tower fridge, sink with 3 burners and large drawers. Unfortunately, not good in my opinion. Soft close. Up here we will find, I think, the television. Well, there would be one if there were one here, but that's where the television goes. 27-inch LED smart TV, it says. It says there's USB connections for charging your mobile phones up with, and it's on the Fiat Ducato. It's got a big table there, which I think is positive. I like a big table. The table, incidentally, will go up and down, and electrically, and I do get the impression you could make a bed up here as well if you so desired. It seems to be quite bright in here, actually. I think that's nice. You don't want to keep glasses up here, by the way. You certainly don't want to keep them up the other side when you're driving either. kitchen extension, and there's a mosquito net in the door. Door's itself is a bit of a disappointment. It's got hasn't got a window, it's got nowhere to store things, and it's only got one here. Look at that, it's only got one lock there. It does have the function for putting one in there and one below as well, but so that's a negative sign as far as I'm concerned. Anyway, put here, got space for 2 gas flasks going there, and table, large ones. Not table. What's the table for? I don't know. In here, very large, nice garage. Once more, spoilt by the lack of ways of holding things, securing things in place. On the other hand, it does have this these lashing straps below, so you can sort of tie your bike in or something like that. There's a look at the rear end. Note it does have a reversing camera, something I think is quite essential. It also has a door, so the door this side is the same size. That's very positive. And okay, it's also got this thing which is a practical service box, which we can open if I can. There we go. So there we have the electric coming in, which you thread through there, down there. That's your Truma Frost card. I've done a video on this, how this works if you want to actually dump all your water. And here you've got your fresh water tank, which you can put your water in there. And I think it's good having it in something like this, because you've locked it from the outside in any case. I noticed somebody, last van I looked at, somebody pinched that, which is a pity. Or you also dump, here's a place for dumping your well, you may be reasons for dumping your fresh water, and there's your dumping your grey water, which you'll definitely want to do. You probably don't want to carry your grey water around with you, unless you're a grey water collector. Exhaust for the Truma boiler, cassette, toilet. Have a look in here. Fiat Ducato, as I said, and step up into the van from there. This is a semi-integrated version, as you can see. So there you go. Let's see a vehicle which I think is overpriced on the current market, because for the reasons I said, I would like to see at a vehicle coming at 6 figures, almost 6 figures. I expect the flat floor. That's me. Other people mightn't want the flat floor, but I think most do. You can hear the hoovers going off. This is because I come in here to do videos when there's no people around. It's really difficult doing videos when there's people around, so this is the best time to be in. I'd much rather put up the noise of the hoovers in the background rather than constantly being stopped by people asking me questions and things and interrupting the video. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. All the best, and bye for now.